Now, castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil, and wherever castor oil penetrates, it breaks up lumps, bumps, congestion, adhesion. It will break up a bone spur. If the bone spur has been there 3 years, it may take 3 months to break it up. If it's been there 3 months, it may take 3 weeks. If it's been there 3 weeks, it might only take 3 days. So it all depends how long it's been there. Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to explore an incredible truth. There is a natural remedy that can address over 17 health issues. And what I'm referring to in this video is the miraculous combination of castor oil and baking soda. I have spent many years researching natural healing methods, and the combination of castor oil and baking soda is one of the most remarkable discoveries I've made. Both castor oil and baking soda have been used for centuries, but few are aware of the amazing effects when these two ingredients are combined. This combination can help resolve issues related to joints, skin conditions, and even chronic health problems that many people have suffered from for years. In this video, we will dive deep into understanding the causes and how these two ingredients work together. Stay tuned until the end of the video, because I'll be revealing surprising facts that you've never known before. Castor oil has been used for centuries due to its high ricinoleic acid content, a compound with anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. It is a key ingredient in natural healing methods, providing nourishment and supporting overall health. Baking soda, a simple and common household ingredient, also possesses healing properties. Its alkaline nature helps neutralize excess acids and soothes inflammation, making it particularly beneficial for health issues related to infections and inflammation. When combined, castor oil and baking soda create a powerful natural remedy that supports skin health, alleviates joint and muscle pain, and offers many other benefits. Let's dive into the unique advantages this combination provides. First, improving health and restoring skin. Castor oil has deep moisturizing abilities, rich in fatty acids, which help improve skin elasticity and restore its natural barrier. Additionally, castor oil stimulates collagen production, helping to heal scars and improve skin texture when used consistently over time. When combined with baking soda, castor oil provides a gentle exfoliation for the skin, helping to remove dead cells, promote skin regeneration, and enhance the effectiveness of the castor oil. Both baking soda and castor oil have anti-inflammatory properties that protect acne wounds from infection, keep the skin clean, and help acne scars heal more quickly. To create this healing mixture, you'll need 1 tablespoon of castor oil and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Here's how to use it. Now, 1, mix the ingredients. Combine the castor oil and baking soda in a small bowl and stir well to create a thick, uniform mixture. 2, apply to the skin. Using clean hands or a cotton pad, apply the mixture to the areas needing treatment, such as dry skin, scars, or small wounds, making sure to cover evenly. 3, let it sit for 15 minutes. Leave the mixture on the skin for about 15 minutes. 4, rinse off. Gently wash with warm water and pat dry. 5, repeat daily. Use daily for the best results, as the effects will improve over time. This mixture will help keep your skin soft, reduce scars, and promote natural healing, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Benefit number 2, relieving muscle and joint pain. Today, when it comes to joint pain, many people turn to painkillers. However, I believe that excessive use of pain relief medications may not be the best for your health. Instead, I recommend trying a natural remedy that I'll share with you right now. To relieve muscle and joint pain, rather than relying on painkillers, you can try the natural solution of castor oil and baking soda. How to use it. Mix castor oil and baking soda in equal proportions. Massage the mixture onto the painful area. Cover the area with a warm towel for 30 minutes to enhance absorption. Castor oil helps reduce inflammation and swelling, while baking soda improves blood circulation and aids deeper absorption. This method not only relieves pain, but also relaxes the body, making it ideal after exercise or as part of your daily self-care routine. Benefit number 3, improving blood circulation. The combination of castor oil and baking soda not only relieves pain, but also improves blood circulation and stimulates lymphatic drainage, helping the body eliminate toxins more effectively. This is especially beneficial for those with chronic fatigue, infections, or poor circulation. How to use it? Gently massage the castor oil and baking soda mixture onto areas with lymph nodes, such as under the arms or the groin. Use circular motions to promote circulation and reduce swelling. Perform for a few minutes each day to enhance detoxification, improve overall health, and boost energy. Benefit number 4, supporting digestion and relieving constipation. Castor oil stimulates bowel movement, promoting healthy digestion, while baking soda soothes the stomach and reduces bloating. This combination is ideal for those struggling with digestive issues, helping to improve digestion and establish regular bowel movements. How to use it? Take 5 drops of castor oil. Consult with your doctor first. Alternatively, massage the castor oil and baking soda mixture onto your stomach. Apply a warm towel for 30 minutes to relieve discomfort. Effective fungal treatment. Castor oil penetrates and breaks down the protective membranes of fungi, while baking soda creates an environment that is hostile to fungal growth. How to use it? Mix castor oil and baking soda in equal proportions. Apply to the affected area. Leave for 20-30 minutes, then wash off. Repeat twice daily until the fungal infection is gone. Benefit number 5, supporting detox and the lymphatic system. This mixture improves blood circulation, stimulates lymphatic drainage, and helps the body eliminate toxins. It's a natural, gentle way to maintain health and balance. By applying this mixture to areas rich in lymphatic nodes, it helps promote blood circulation and enhance detoxification. How to use it? Apply the mixture to areas such as the neck, underarms, or groin. Gently massage for 10-15 minutes, then rinse off. Use regularly to improve detoxification and feel more energized. Benefit number 6, reducing itching and skin inflammation from insect bites. Castor oil helps moisturize, soothe inflammation, and nourish the skin, while baking soda neutralizes irritating acids and relieves itching. This combination is an effective solution for insect bites and rashes. How to use it? Apply a small amount of the mixture to the bite or rash. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with cool water. You'll feel relief immediately. Benefit number 7, reducing scars, stretch marks, and brightening skin. Castor oil stimulates collagen production, helping to regenerate skin and reduce scars and stretch marks. When combined with baking soda, this mixture gently exfoliates, promotes skin renewal, and brightens uneven skin tone. How to use it? Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply to scarred or stretch marked skin. Gently massage and leave on for 20-30 minutes. Wash off with warm water and use daily for best results. Benefit number 8, treating acne and oily skin. Castor oil helps cleanse and balance oil production in the skin, even for oily or acne-prone skin. Benefit number 9, relieving joint pain and inflammation. The combination of castor oil and baking soda helps reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, bringing comfort to aching joints. How to use it? Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Massage into the affected joint for 10 minutes, then apply a warm towel for 30 minutes. Benefit number 10, hand and foot care. This mixture helps moisturize and exfoliate hands and feet, softening dry and calloused skin. How to use it? Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Massage into hands and feet, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash off with warm water. Benefit the verbal 11, improving nail health. This mixture nourishes nails, reducing breakage and softening the skin around the nails. How to use it? Apply the mixture to your nails and the skin around them. Gently massage for 10 minutes, then wash off. Benefit number 12, reducing eye fatigue. Helps reduce puffiness and soothes the skin around the eyes after a long day. How to use it? Mix half a teaspoon of castor oil with a little baking soda, apply to the eyelids for 10 minutes, then rinse off. Benefit number 13, reducing wrinkles. Castor oil deeply moisturizes, reducing wrinkles and signs of aging. Combined with baking soda, it provides gentle exfoliation, hydration, and stimulates cell regeneration, reducing wrinkles over time. How to use it? Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, apply to the skin around your eyes or mouth, leave for 15 minutes, then rinse off. Repeat a few times a week to improve skin texture and tone. Benefit number 14, relieving sunburn pain. How to use it? Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, apply to sunburned skin, and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off after. Repeat daily until your skin heals. Benefit number 15, relieving nasal congestion. Warm 1 tablespoon of castor oil, mix with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, massage onto the forehead and sinuses for 20 minutes, then rinse off. This helps reduce inflammation and improves drainage. Benefit number 16, oral health support. Mix baking soda with castor oil, apply to gums with a soft toothbrush for 2 minutes, then rinse off. This helps fight plaque and promotes healthy gums. Benefit number 17, reducing chapped lips. Mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil with a little baking soda, apply to lips and leave for a few minutes, then wipe off. Your lips will feel soft and smooth instantly, top of form. With just 2 simple natural ingredients, you can create a mixture that offers many health benefits. However, if you have sensitive skin, it's advisable to consult with a specialist or perform a patch test before deciding to use this mixture. Start with a small amount and monitor your skin's reaction. If you experience discomfort, redness, or a burning sensation, stop immediately. For best results, choose cold-pressed pure castor oil and avoid the refined versions. Be careful not to get the mixture in your eyes. If it happens, rinse thoroughly with cool water. Store the mixture in a cool, dry place, preferably in a dark glass container to protect it from light. It's best to make small batches to prevent spoilage. Natural remedies take time to show noticeable results, so patience and consistency are key. Regular use can improve skin health, reduce joint pain, and strengthen hair without the harmful effects of chemicals. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest content. Thanks for watching.